I auditioned because my whānau said that I have a beautiful voice and I just need to let it out there. This is my 2 younger sisters.
There's 6 of us all together.
I started in this other band. Like Chris was new, I was new, we were just filling in for different musicians. This guy's pretty good, and he was looking at me. Musical bromance.
I just put up with him, really.
Dedicating it to the whānau who's out there with cancer, and my mum who's up in the crowds.
Big round of applause for my ugly assistant Ray. We'll be playing half later in the show.
The other thing we do not want you to do with the microphone is what I call a gangster hold. You can see immediately it's affected the quality of my voice. Also, when I'm
always liked to sing, and I started singing when I was only young. It's not about the money, it's about coming here and enjoying yourself.
We're the Next Tech Brothers.
Yeah, we just want to get out there. We're just having a good time tonight, make a few people happy, get a few people dancing.
We're not going to throw any curveballs at you or anything like that. Well, not all of you anyway.
Kia kaha, be strong, make her proud.
Chris, I know these people are real nice, but it's time to bring the pain. Time to bring the show. Entertain. There's a whole country waiting to be entertained. Whole country. Gotta do it. We've been training for this for years. Yeah. Oh, you're sweating. My makeup.